Hello everyone, and welcome back to Useful How-To Videos. My name is Mike Sands, your guide to solving tech-related issues. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Today we're diving into the world of Logic Pro X, which is a fantastic DAW that allows you to create and produce music. Hey guys, so if you're here today, we're continuing along in the How to Get Started on Logic Pro series, and this particular version is how to add effects. How can I add effects now to the piece, to the track that I just recorded, or to any track? How can I add effects? Okay, I've gone ahead and recorded a piece of music here. So we're gonna show you now how to add track to this particular how to add effects to this particular track. Sorry. So if we go up here, you should see an eye. That eye is the actual inspector. If you've seen in my other videos, the button next to that is a library. The library is where you get to tell it which sound you would like for that track to be associated with. This instance is going to be the piano, or Steinway piano room. Okay, so to turn it, to activate it or to deactivate it, just simply click the library button, and it activates and deactivates. Same thing with this inspector button. If we hit the eye, it's going to open up this window, now allowing you to basically to add different effects. The effects is actually going to be in this area here. Okay, and what you should be seeing is that for the Steinway piano room, it essentially has two effects already assigned to it. So the sound that I selected, it came with two different effects. If you want to add another effect, just simply click below. You see this where it says space D. There's a gray space there that you can just click it, and what it does, it opens up an effect selection, allowing you to select what kind of effect you would like. Okay, so if you would like a channel EQ, that's there. If you could like to add a gain, for more sound, or more decibels to be added to it. If you'd like to add a compressor, compressing different, basically compresses a decibel so that there's no clipping per se. Amps and pedal, I guess, is used for electric guitars per se. If you want to add delay, there's different kinds of delay that you can have. Distortion, dynamics, and this is another kind of EQ. I think it's a linear EQ that you can add here. All sorts of different effects that you can play around with. Pitch corrector, I think this is used. I've used this particularly for voicing when I want to limit or really keep my voicing on tune. It's really good for catching the different pitch or correcting it. If you want to add a reverb, there's an option here for that as well. There's so many different kinds of effects that you can add to your recording. So I invite you, I really would say, go through this and play around with it with the different effects, or actually do some searches out there to see if anyone has different videos specializing on what each of these effects may add to your project. But want to keep this video simple. This is just how to get started and how to add effects to your recording. So that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions, or if there's a specific topic you'd like me to cover in a future video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.